Alright, now what we've done is basically we've unscrewed this counterclockwise here, and it's quite a piece of metal. I don't know if it's hardened steel, but that's definitely some kind of steel. And just the weight of the thing is pretty hefty as it is. And just one solid piece of metal there. Now here's our internal cylinder, and really tough to show you guys. That little hole up top, that's the actual poke hole right there. And of course what I've done is I've completely drilled out the center of this thing. I'll show you guys just a second. That guy just pulls out. This is of course after you unscrew this knob right here. So we're going to take a look at the cylinder. Oh boy, a lot of junk in there. Alright, now you see that little piece that's dipping down right there? That is our active retainer. What I did is I basically just destroyed that inner core. And then once I destroyed that inner core, I had room for this little guy to drop down. Normally it springs back up again, but I have warped the inside of this thing so bad that as soon as it's pressed down, it's frozen in place, which is all the same because this guy's trash anyway. So now basically we're just whole process in reverse. Is what we're going to do is we're going to put our new cylinder in. Clean that up real well, obviously. A little bit of oil. Drop our new cylinder in, and then thread the cap back on again. Watch your fingers because that's a sharp spot right there. We might come back with a Dremel and just basically cover that over. Interesting fact, if you run into this situation, obviously we discussed the concept of if this is a, pristine condition vehicle, but this is not. What one can do is they can come in with some little epoxy, some Bondo, some JB Weld, fill that guy in, sand this whole thing down, and just give it a couple of quick paints with a rattle can. That's for a customer that needs this thing to be looking pristine. That's one solution to it. The other solution is just to order another one of these. Unfortunately, when you order a new lock cylinder, they never give you this guy. Because quite honestly, if I had to do this all over again, I'd have just simply attacked this thing and figured it out from there. Anyway, that's about it. The only thing left to do is reverse order installation.